Okay, I hope we can still see them. A flock of white-headed birds. Yes, I hope you can see it. It is, you see it? There's a lot of them. There's two on the branch. And there comes the rest of them. Kanina puro unggoy, you know? Puro ibon! Mga over ano sila? Mga over 12? Mga 10 or 12? Ito. Wow. Sana pwedeng zoom in eh, oh. Look at that. Oh. There's one, oh. Perched on the branch. Ang dami. Ano kaya ang klaseng ibon to, no? Yay. Tago na sila. Ano pag may tao? Ang dami sa may uband ng ugat eh, oh. Doon sila, oh. And there comes the monkey. Yeah. You see those white things at the root? That's them. They're having a break. And we have a guest.
It's a girl?
Sana narinig yung ano, yung ingay nila. Sana. And they're out.